What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. Hi, if you're new here, hi, my name is Elisha, but I just go by Eli. And if you're not new here, what's up my beautiful flowers, and welcome back to another beautiful video. Today, as you can tell by the title of this video, we will be doing just a spend a day with me, spend a day in my life. Today is actually Sunday, June 1st, so I do have some things to do today. We have errands to run, things to do in the house. It is month 6 of the year. We literally only have 6 months left after this, so it is time to finally make the most of the last 6 months of 2025. This is my day of actually starting to put into that energy. Yeah, let's just go ahead and get on with this video. It's gonna be 64 degrees today, so I'm thinking of just putting on something a little bit more comfortable, nothing too extravagant. You know what? We're just gonna like go in my boyfriend stuff. So I'm just gonna go ahead and continue to get myself ready, and then I will be back when it is time to like start leaving. So let's go. While I wait for my boyfriend, I'm just gonna write down a list of all the things that we need. Alright guys, so we're in the car. I'm about to start driving. My boyfriend's not driving this time. So I'll see you guys when we get to Target. Caramel latte. Okay. I'm having a brain fart.
Come on, baby, you got this.
I'm sorry. I'm having a brain fart.
She didn't crash, guys. You think the cheese is still good?
Yeah. We have like...
Oh. Did you see the spark?
Many decision turmoil. Our cart's looking like right now.
Exercising?
Are you gonna exercise on it? What are you gonna do on it?
Like sit-ups. I don't like doing it on the floor. It's like
my favorite area. The artwork. You're part of the artwork, babe. Check us out. That's so funny because I'm posting my We're going home now. I finally just finished. We're done shopping, so now we're going home, and so I'll see you guys when we get there. But we do have stuff back there. It was a success, so let's go home. What? Mommy got you something. What is it? Oh snap! Did mommy get you a new tree? Sit. She loves these.
Nope.
Alright guys, so I just finished putting all the groceries and everything away. So now it's time to actually get this shit cracking and start cleaning up everything. So I think I'm trying to decide if I want to start from the back to the front, to the front to the back. I'm trying to decide that part, but I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start in the living room since it's like the least amount to do, and then just work my way around.
Running fast from the way it was. Jump quick to a paycheck. Running back to the strip club. I'm never going back, never going back. No, you can't make me. Never going back, never going back. They never take me. I've been enough of petty dudes. I've had enough of shitty news. I had a thing for dirty shoes since I was 10. Love dirty men alike. Ooh, better day than yesterday. Ooh, I just take it day by day.
Alright guys, so house is clean, but I actually just cooked dinner, so we are gonna have some stuffed crust cheese pizza. I don't really like using pizza cutters, but my boyfriend wanted one, so I got one. But I'm not a fan. I'd rather just cut it with the knife. Alright guys, we just finished eating dinner, and I think I'm gonna just end the video here. I'm gonna go ahead and finish my book, and then start getting ready for bed, and then start my other book, start the second book. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my video. I hoped that it was entertaining, or that it was fun, or you get the gist. I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so that way you can get notified every time that I post a new video. And I will see you flowers in the next one. Bye!
Nothing but love for you. Nothing but love. Nothing but love.